Welcome to the in front of me Honor 50 Lite, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first we should go to the Muviz application because unfortunately we have not installed the AOD feature on our device, so that's why we just installed the application from the Play Store. And now we should go here in the always on display here section, find one from this tabs. For example, we can go with currently one. I'll just select this one. Now just click here to apply. Click here to the music controls. We can hide them if you want after 30 seconds, after 10 seconds, or just to don't hide them. Here we can also just activate the to show the incoming notifications. Here also we can show the date to turn it on and turn it off, and by the same way we can also show our battery status always while the device charging, or just to don't show the battery status. And here when we'll go to the settings section and tap on the always on display, by the same way we can just set here the shown time of our AOD always while device charging, or only when we'll play the music. Here we can also just change the screen timeout from 1 second, AOD timeout from 1 second just to never. We can also change the brightness. We can increase it to the 100%, so we can close the AOD by double tap or single tap on the screen. And if you got just activated the fingerprint scanner here, we can also close the AOD by with the help of our fingerprint here. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our Huawei 50 Lite. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.